Have you ever been worried about learning a new language is difficult for you? If so, we have a solution. My name is Berkat. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm native Amharic language speaker. I've been translating Amharic language for over 8 years, alongside with top companies. And in this entire courses there are 4 modules, each with different lessons. I hope you guys enjoyed this course, and I'll show you from the very beginning.
So in module 1 you will learn about introduction to the course and Amharic alphabet. In module 2 you will learn about basic vocabulary and phrases, greeting and introducing yourself, numbers and countings, days and years, family members, asking for a time and more. In module 3 you will learn about essential grammars, tenses, conditional tenses and about how to form questions. In module 4 you will learn about conversational Amharic, common phrases for daily use, talking about yourself, describing objects and people, and finally asking for help and directions.
በቃ እንጀምራለን በደንብ ማሳያችሁ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Actually this is Amharic, and if you want, enroll now and see you guys. Ciao.